Well, look what we have here. Um, this video is a request from T Rizzle. He wanted to see the Impulse and the Featherlight together. Very beautiful choice. Um, we'll go ahead and compare the two. So, first of all, I just got the Impulse like 2.5 weeks ago from eBay, and then I got the Featherlight, I want to say in 2015 or 16 from Craigslist. Pretty much the exact same vacuum, as you can see. The green one is called the Featherlight. That one is a 10 amp. And the Impulse is called the Impulse. That one is a 7 amp. One red, one green, same vacuum. Just a different name, different color, different amps. With that being said, we'll just get straight to it. Here's the Featherlight. And now for the Impulse. I must say so myself. It's really nice to have those two vacuums in the collection. They look very nice together. And it's pretty cool to see those two side by side. That completes this video. Please go ahead, come watch, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you enjoy.